What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the camera button on the lock screen of an iPhone. This feature is handy for quick access, but if privacy concerns arise, you might want to restrict access to the camera from the lock screen. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, navigate to Screen Time. If you haven't already set up Screen Time, you might need to go through a few steps to enable it. Once in the Screen Time menu, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. You'll need to enable these restrictions if they're not already active. Just toggle the switch to the on position. After activating the restrictions, go to Allowed Apps. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can be allowed or restricted on your device. Find Camera and toggle it off. However, this action will disable the camera app entirely, which means it will no longer be accessible from the lock screen, the home screen, or even the app library. This setting removes the camera app completely from your iPhone's interface. If you still want to use the camera app, you'll need to download a third-party app from the App Store. If disabling the camera entirely is too restrictive, another approach involves using the Shortcuts app to require authentication whenever the camera app is accessed. Here's how to set that up. Open the Shortcuts app on an iPhone. Tap on Automation at the bottom of the screen and then tap on New Automation. In the New Automation menu, choose App. Select Choose and pick Camera from the list of apps. Make sure is opened and Run immediately is checked. Tap Next and then add an action by searching for lock screen. Now, anytime the camera app is triggered, your phone will go to the lock screen instead, requiring Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode to proceed. This workaround ensures that no one can access the camera from your lock screen without your permission. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.